The Fed's under fire. ETH ETFs are booming. Let's break it down fast. Big news, the US and Japan just inked a trade deal. Tariffs drop from 25% to 15%. Japan's throwing $550 billion into US investments and opening up to American agriculture. Boosts global trade sentiment, bullish for risk-on assets like crypto. Trump wants interest rates slashed to 1% or lower.
We have a bad Fed chairman, really bad. If he would lower the rates, and I tried being nice to the guy, it doesn't help. He's like a knucklehead. No, he's a knucklehead. Stupid guy. He really is.
Ethereum ETFs just raked in $534 million in one day.
The Ethereum spot ETF saw over $2 billion in inflows last week, marking the largest weekly inflow since its inception. This is a massive surge.
BlackRock and Fidelity are leading the charge. Institutions are seriously eyeing ETH now. Global shifts, rate pressure, ETH rising. Don't blink. Follow for more fast crypto drops.